Ghráinne in the first production of An Triail 1954, a long time ago. While I was in Carysford trained to be a teacher, I met Tomás McCanna, who was a famous director who directed An Triail. Agus chola me go raibh An Triail le bheith siúls déimar, agus thocra me I Máire go gcóma síos chun páirte éire. Agus me hasa stad na mos, I was standing at the bus stop, agus cé heoir an tro ach Tomás McCanna in lúisteáil agus stop sé agus dír sé Ní Ghráinne bháile páirte le agus a Triail. I said, well, tá sé dír a gáil síos chun é sin a rá leat hain. And that's how I got started in An Triail, which turned out to be a wonderful success. Go mór Máire an drama hain, an ábhar, go mór Máire Kathleen Maud, agus go mór Máire an dhearmheastóir cáiliúil Harold Hobson. At that time, theatre critics used to come to the Irish Theatre Festival to see the best of Irish dramas. It was a different type of festival at that time. And Harold Hobson attended the Damer twice in the 1 week he was here. He also took Kathleen Maud out to lunch, and he was totally enamoured of Kathleen Maud. And no wonder, she was a wonderful actress and a wonderful singer. And he especially talked to her about her singing, because she told us in the dressing room afterwards, and the lovely song, and where she used to finish, "Go dé tú a bhhaininn slán," and she told him she hated that line. But anyway, it became the hit, or one of the hits of a wonderful festival, which included Philadelphia, come by Brian Fina and the King of the Castle. I met Máire Ní Ghráinne, cúpla ó bin age, ban Galanta, ban Ciúin, agus hapach sí iste ag na cleachtainna agus ní mór an ledrá ag céine chur. Ach I gcónaí chuireach Tomás McCanna roint ceiste ar agus dúirt sí gcónaí, Tomás, you know best, Tomás, you know best. Now, she wasn't a stranger to theatre at all, because she had done a lot of translations of plays for the Abbey, which they put on the Queen's. One act, I remember especially Chekhov's The Bear, but she was a constant contributor to the Abbey. So it was a wonderful success, and I remember Fionnuala Flanagan, who took over from Kathleen Maud at one point, said she'd overheard a conversation in Grafton Street, two ladies saying, one saying to the other, "Have you been to the Damer?" She said, "No, what's on in the Damer?" She said, "Darling, everybody's been to the Damer." So it became one of the talking points. And it has lasted, and it now appears on the curriculum, the school curriculum. At the time, it was an unusual subject. Agus chola me in dhír sin gur conspáid faoi, ach níor chola me ag an áme mar bheith ró gofa le ma híl hain. But I believe Máire Ní Ghráinne had a great interest in the difficulties of girls who had children outside marriage, and she understood their pain, and it's certainly something she brought through. She was a lovely lady.